Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I bought from Dollar Tree. I got amazing finds, a lot of beauty finds for $1. If you guys want to know what I got in this amazing Dollar Tree haul, then keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, first off, I want to welcome you. So welcome, my name is Aisha. I do a lot of beauty content related things on this channel. I do makeup subscription unboxings, makeup hauls as what I'm doing today, makeup mystery boxes, and I've been dabbling in doing a couple of crystal subscription boxes as well. You guys let me know you love watching that on my channel as well. But it's mostly a beauty content channel. So if you guys love makeup as much as I do and like knowing what's new, then I would say subscribe to your girl's channel, become a part of my YouTube family. It will be greatly appreciated. And if you do subscribe, just make sure you hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a new video. Alrighty, so I don't know where to begin. I'll start off with saying like I love a deal, like I love a sale, which is why I do my makeup subscription boxes on this channel, because I love trying different makeup products. But I mean, if I could get it for a cheaper price, and I definitely would love to. So that's why I get the subscription boxes, because it's cheaper than buying everything on its own. And Dollar Tree, I feel like you get some amazing beauty deals for like $1. Well, I mean, tell me in the comments down below if your Dollar Tree is now $1.25, because my Dollar Tree is now $1.25, but I get, you know, cost stuff is going up, but it says $1.25. So then should it not be called Dollar Tree anymore? Should it be called $1.25 tree? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. But nevertheless, I got some great deals. I love going into Dollar Tree. I'm like a kid in a candy store, because you feel like you balling. You like, just throw it in the bag. You just be putting everything in there, and it's like it comes up to like $30, and you have like 30 things in the cart. Like it's amazing. I love the store, but you get good stuff. Some things I could buy in the supermarket or just in CVS, and they have it in Dollar Tree. So I personally love going in to get a good deal. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in my Dollar Tree haul. Alrighty, so before I get into the makeup stuff, I guess I'll just show you the non-makeup stuff, because I think I have like 3 or 4 things that's not makeup. So I don't know about you guys, but like I would say Sour Patch is like my favorite candy like ever. Besides the Ferrero Rocher, I can never say it, Ferrero Rocher chocolates. I love those chocolates. I love Kit Kats, and if that's for the chocolate side. But sweet, for anything sweet, I love Skittles and Sour Patches. And in my Dollar Tree, they have like 5, 6, 7, 8 different types of Sour Patches. They have like peach one, tangerine, like things I never even heard of. Like this one is like a berries one. I'm like, I didn't even know they had a berries Sour Patch. And they have like the blue raspberry ones. I've never tried the berries one, so I'm gonna try this now on camera. And blue raspberries, I love it, like blue drinks. Although they say blue drinks aren't good, they say like blue dye causes cancer. I don't know if that stuff is true. They say everything causes cancer, but I love these, so can't wait to. I've eaten that before, but let's try the berries one. Let's see how the berries taste. Also, it's just all different types of, well, they have blue ones in here too. Oh, I guess they have blueberry, right? So, because I see like a blue one. I always, if there's anything blue, I always eat the blue one first. See, like there's a blue one in there. So let's see. I'm going to try it on camera. Woo! I love the sour. Amazing, amazing. These candies You can't go wrong with them. Do you guys have a friend? We all have that friend that be eating the candy and it's like hacking and everything, and it's like, can you please like not? I'm trying to eat this as gracefully as I can on camera. Wow, that's amazing. The only problem, I probably should have never ate that because they get so addicting. You want to eat more and more and more. Because right now I want to eat like 10 more of them, but I'm going to pause it until I'm done filming. And let's see, what else should I show you guys? Okay, I said non-makeup related. So this is, for example, like things that I buy in CVS that I got now for like $1 at Dollar Tree, or shall I say $1.25. This is coconut water and mango. I love, anybody that knows me knows I love the smell of coconut. I love the smells of coconut and pineapple. Not necessarily mango, but I'm interested to see what that smells like. So we're gonna smell it together on camera. It smells good. The scent is not that potent. It's like a Bath and Body Works hand wash. You could barely smell it, but you could smell that it is coconut, but it's very faint. So I bought 3 of them because I always just buy things like 3 at a time for the most part, just so that I don't have to go back out. Like mid, when it's finished, I run out of soap. I always like to have backup. So I bought 3 of the same scent, and that was a hit or miss because I didn't even know if I was gonna like it. But usually everything coconut I like the smell of. So that's that. And then the last thing I got, which you guys probably look, Aisha, can you get to the beauty stuff already? That's why I came to watch your beauty stuff. So I apologize, but I figured I'd just share with you guys everything I bought. I bought this Crystal Geyser, I hope I said that right, sparkling water and mixed berry flavor. It's like a sparkling water. I don't really like water. I know I should drink water, and I'm trying my best to drink more water for the new year because I know it's important to like flush your system out. Drink water is good for the body, good for the soul, but I'm really bad at it. So I'm like, let me just try if I can have sparkling water. Maybe I'll drink more water. So I'm gonna try that out. I haven't tasted it yet. Actually, why don't I just try it on camera too while I'm at it, right? Guys, this just exploded. Look at this. It exploded all over me. I just wanted to open it up and show you guys, and of course that would happen to me. But let me taste it anyway and let you guys know what it tastes like. It's all over me. I'm going to have to pause this in a second and clean up the whole counter that I spilled everything on. But let's just taste it really quick. It tastes terrible, by the way. A waste of getting this all over my makeup. So I'll be right back. Let me just clean this mess up. Alright guys, so I think I wiped everything up for the most part. If anything looks wet, that's just because I put everything all over my beautiful makeup stuff, but it happens. Hold on, I'm gonna have to, I could hear it sizzling. Can you guys hear? It's sizzling really loud, so let me just close this a little tighter. Alright, so actually, I did find just one more thing that's not makeup related, but it's cute. You guys are gonna like it. I found these pens. These are so Aisha, so girly. Look, there was a pink and a purple one. I have rose gold ones that I bought from Amazon. I forgot. Somebody I saw on Amazon that said that was a part of their Amazon finds, and I was like, I need these pens in my life. But they weren't really cheap, so, and they kind of break. So I was like, if they have them at Dollar Tree, you could definitely feel this quality feels a little bit cheaper, but from far they kind of look the same. So I was like, let me just try these pens out. So got 2 of those. This was not from Amazon. So this was cute. This was cute. I saw this at the cash wrap when I was checking out, and I was like, I gotta get that. Alrighty, so now for the fun stuff, what you guys came here for. So, where do I begin? I thought it was cool that I saw that they had NYX makeup there. It was colors that people normally wouldn't buy. Like, there was a lot of colors like this, which for me, it works out well because I love colors like these, but I feel like just my experience from always being in the beauty industry, all the fun colors like this, people normally don't buy, but this is right up my alley. So I bought this shade. It's like a fuchsia color. It's called, what is this called? Oh, it's called LOL number 3. So I got a new. Whoops, what is going on with me today? Spilling stuff, dropping stuff. It's called LOL, so I got that. Then I used to buy the expensive wipes, the Neutrogena wipes. I mean, they're not expensive, but like I used to buy those wipes a lot. But I'm like, let me just try the Dollar Tree wipes. So I've been using this all this week, and they're not bad. I put an extra pack just in case I liked it, but they're honestly not that bad. It says that they're makeup removal towelettes. You get 25. They say that it's gentle, even, and you can it still even takes off waterproof mascara. So their wipes are not that bad, especially this type in particular. Be Pure, very nice. And I love, you've seen this in my Dollar Tree hauls. If you guys have ever seen any of my Dollar Tree hauls, you would know that I like their little Wet n Wild brushes. I buy these. I have so many of these brushes. I like these. This is actually a really good crease brush. I already opened one of them up and I have it in my makeup room. But I kept two just to show you guys. But I love these brushes. And I love the color mates. Like this is just like a regular standard little brush. Now I like it because it's like flimsy. So when I want to do a highlighter under my brow bone, I can get like a nice little, let me see if I can open it and show you guys. Do you guys see how this is like kind of flimsy? I like it because I can really get in there and like really blend under my brow bone. And a lot of eyeshadow brushes, they're really stiff and you can't really like manipulate the brush to get like under your brow bone. So I actually love these brushes. This, I had to get 2 of them because, whoo, actually I think I bought 3 of them. Yeah. Because I bought one of these once in Dollar Tree and I could not find this brush again. And I was so sad because I don't know what happened to that brush. And it was like my favorite under the brow highlighter brush. So now I have 3 just in case I lose 1 or 2. I'll have a backup. So love these brushes. Now I heard a lot of people talking about the brand Believe. And it's a makeup brand they sell in Dollar General, but I don't think there's any Dollar Generals by me, or not that I know of. So when I saw they had a lot of Believe stuff in my Dollar Tree, I was like, I gotta try this out because I've heard a lot of good things about the brand, and it's cheap and inexpensive. But I thought this shade would be pretty for my skin tone. It's called Pink Pearls. It's a radiant finish highlighter. So excited to try this out. And then I don't do a lot of freelance work as much as I used to just because your girl's always booked and busy. She's always working. But in the rare occasions that I do side work, I always like to have like a whole bunch of disposable mascara wands on deck. So I have the disposable mascara wands that I bought from Amazon, but I want to try these out because it's an 8-piece and they had a whole bunch of them in there. So I'm going to try out just for myself to see how they feel on the eye, and if they're good, I'm going to buy more. So that's that. Then you guys know, if you follow me on my channel, if you don't, you won't know this, but like my eyes are super sensitive, and I used to be able to wear lashes on and see every single day. Now I can only wear lashes like when I film, but I cannot wear like lashes anymore because any glue that I use irritates my eyes. I've tried magnetic lashes, the lashes you could use that activate with water. I've tried them all. Everything irritates my eyes. I don't know if it's the actual lashes bothering me. I do not know, but they never used to bother me before. But nevertheless, I can't really wear lashes as much as I love to. So I'm still always trying to find a good lash glue. So they had Ioni Everlasting Lash Glue. It's 100% vegan. So I thought I'd try this out just to see if I could finally find one that doesn't bother my eyes. So I bought that. And then they actually have individual lashes as well. So I figure I'll try it out and just put like a couple of pieces. I won't do like a whole strip, and try to wear it for work and see if it doesn't irritate my eyes. So these are 3D Faux Mink individual lash extensions. So got that. And then they had LA Colors. It's for dark circles, a color corrector. Sorry, this one has some salsa water on it. You guys know why already. This is the peach shade, so let's open it up. Because peach normally looks good for like darker skin tones, for under the eyes. So this is what it looks like. I'm excited to try it. It could be good. It could be not. But I mean, I paid $1.25 for it, so how bad could it really be? And if I don't like it, then you don't really feel too bad. That's what I love about Dollar Tree. You get good deals, and if you don't like it, you don't feel too bad for buying it. As opposed to when you spend $30 on a concealer and you don't like it and you get upset about it, you don't get too mad about that. So that's everything that I got in my Dollar Tree haul. I was super excited for everything except for this Hayton sparkling water that decided to just explode all over my stuff. But it's okay. It's all good. What did you guys think about my haul, my Dollar Tree haul? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what are your favorite things to get from your local Dollar Tree. Maybe I'll go out and buy them as well and try them out. So that's really about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys who've been subscribing to my channel. I appreciate the love and the support. We're close, very close to getting to 2,000 subscribers. I cannot wait because I have an amazing giveaway to give away to you guys. So thank you guys again. I can't tell you how much, in a million words, how much I really appreciate all the love and support I've been getting from my subscribers from my channel. So thank you guys 100 times over, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.